Yo, peace and love, guys. We have another doubleheader here. First of all, I'm going to do the off-white 5s. We got a retail pair, size 8 from Corey, and we have the 9.5 pair from Kicks for Days. So we're going to jump right into those. And just so you know, I don't condone the resale or manufacture of retail goods, fake sneakers, whatever you want to call them. I don't mess with it. I just make the videos. So this pair is kind of unique. In the beginning, I really wasn't feeling them a whole lot. I didn't buy into the hype. And as time went along, I was like, you know what? It'd be nice to have another good pair of off-white 5s. And I'm still waiting for off-white 4s from them as well. Hint, hint. But anyway, I was just kind of really wanting a good pair of these. And I gifted my old pair. Now I have this pair. So let's just jump into the review. And before we do that, as you can see, I'm also going to be doing the tie-dyes. And if you watched my old tie-dye video, you know I've already reviewed these, but this is an 11.5 in women's, which translates to a size 10 in men's. On the other ones, I think the box didn't even say women's, it just was like 9.5. So it really wasn't the best pair, but now I have a best pair, and we're going to look at both of them. Look at that. Even the box looks better. I didn't even get the red box with the last pair. So here's the old videos from 2020 of January 18. And in the beginning, I did like them, but around the toe box, they had some wrinkles I just didn't like, so I was like, whatever. So in this pair, there's no wrinkles on the toe box. These look amazing. They have the Nike Air embroidery on the back, which I always thought that was a nice touch. I've always loved that. On the medial side, you have the off-white Nike Jordan 5, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. The toe box, it looks great to me as well. And these fit really good too. I tried them on before I did this unboxing and they fit perfectly. They look small, but they really work for me. I mean, look at these angles right here. You guys tell me what's wrong with them. We're going to pull out that size 8 again and do a couple side-by-sides. But these are perfect. I'm not going to give too much history because I've already done that in my other off-white 5 videos. So I'm just really focusing on the details of this pair. That shoe has, what is it? The right shoe has a hole in the tongue. The left shoe does not have a hole in the tongue. And what do you know? Look what these are made. Closer look at the Oregon, USA on the left shoe. The visible aerosol, I've always loved that since I was a youngster. The pre-yellowed bottoms, which is another great touch. These shoes are designed for everyday wear. You got a red pair of off-white laces and a pair of sail laces. And let's just go ahead and pop open this size 8. So looking at these here, it's a little smaller, but it looks like the edges are a little thicker than this pair. There's that tag. I don't wear the tags on my shoes anywhere. I don't even wear that little Jordan scrunchy lace lock. I don't even wear that anymore. I just wear the shoe with the laces. That's it. So look at the Oregon's a little off. It's not the same as the retail. I don't know if it's because it's a smaller shoe with the 8 or what, but it's not the same. It's not lining up the same. And I'm not sure if they even line up the same or every shoe is supposed to be lining up the same. There's the medial side of both. You can see the 8 is a little thicker around the seams. There's a hole in that tongue on the left shoe. But they're a beautiful shoe. To me, I'm not really, I mean, come on now. What else can I say? It was free. Now, jumping over to the tie-dye. The tie-dye was kind of underrated because it was a women's shoe, but I know a lot of guys that did pull the trigger on these, and they sold really well. They're still selling really well on StockX. But I love the shoe. It's a great on-the-go shoe for me. Here's the old video from July. And you can tell that the print is like printed on the shoe. This shoe, it's actually made out of the dye. So shout out for them for making this shoe as authentic as possible. They do run a little bit big though. I got 11.5, so that translates to a 10. And I do have some foot room, so I'll have to wear like a thicker sock, but that's okay. I mean, look at the craftsmanship here. Like the leather looks immaculate. The check looks really good. The hourglass looks really good to it. I also have not a retail pair, but just another pair to compare these two. Look at the insides, they look great. These are really easy to put on because that's a really smooth type of satin tongue. on the inside at least. The Nike Air in black and white. I love that. The toe box looks perfect. Now here's both of them. And they just look great. I mean, what more could you ask for? Now on the right side, there's going to be the pair I was gifted to before with the white laces. We'll just stay with the white laces for those. And this is a 9.5. And again, they just put 9.5 on it. They didn't even translate it to a women's size. And you can tell that the tie-dye is screen printed on the shoe. It's not actually tie-dye material. And at the time, I was okay with it. I mean, it is just a shoe. See, it says 9.5 men's on the inside. It's not supposed to say that. Here's a side-by-side comparison. On the left, we have the pair from Kicks for Days, and on the right, we have the pair, we'll just say from Other. There's a close look at the print. There's the gifted pair that I just got. Now here's the first gifted pair. You can just see that. You can see the difference. Go ahead and pause. Go ahead and rewind if you need to. The toe box always bothered me with that pair too. The back, it's got to have a good arch in the back. It swoops up just how it should. And I mean, look at the Nike check. It's very nice, this supple black leather. So now when I looked into the black lighting, the first gifted shoe, there's red flags everywhere. I mean, look at this thing. There's markings around the check. There's glue marks like crazy. I don't even have to spend a lot of time on this. You can obviously see they really didn't nail this shoe. Craftsmanship is about a 5 on these. And looking at this pair, there's none of those marks. I don't even see any glue pits. Like, these just look great. There's no markings. They cleaned it up. They stitched these just right. These pair will go down as a keeper. Now the 5. Look at this pair in the black light. There's nothing wrong with them. A couple pieces of glue pockets, but I mean, nothing really at all. Now, when I looked at the pair from Kicks for Days, they have like this weird mask on them. Like, what is that? So I'm not sure if they use the authentic materials or what happened here, but look at that. That's a totally different type of upper just for that part. It's really weird. I don't get it. Like, look at that side. It's like the Batman shoe. Like, what happened? I don't know.
We must pay homage to him.
Yo, what's going on, guys? No Comac today. The plan was I was going to get Comac again. We're going to go back to the skate park, but that didn't happen. He had some other stuff going on, so it's just me. You get just me today. Sorry. I appreciate the support on that last video. It was pretty good. I mean, I love all the support. When you guys come to the premieres and all that stuff, it really, really makes my day. It really does. Behind me, I have an abandoned, shut down Toys R Us. And it looks like somebody tried to get into this Toys R Us at some point. I don't know what. Wow. Oh, look at this. Dang. Look at this. That is crazy, man. Why would you want to break into Toys R Us? Ooh. Yeah, man, I remember at this place when I was in like 11th grade, I got suspended from school for taking one bullet to school. And I had it in my mouth. I don't know what I was doing. I took it in my mouth and went to the office, and they suspended me for like 2 or 3 days. But anyway, it's the only time I ever got suspended from school too. And you know, my mom, being the good, lovely mother she is, that's when Zelda came out for the Nintendo 64. Like, yeah, Zelda. I played Zelda while I was grounded, and it was just a beautiful time to be out of school. So thank you, Widefield High School, for suspending me for those days, because I got to catch up on my new Zelda game. Man, it is windy out here. Like, try to break in this door. Oh, wow, look at this. Look at this. Huh. I might want to get out of here. I got to get my on-feet shot still. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, they tried to get in this bad boy. I don't think they did, but I have no idea. Whoa, there's actually lights on inside the Toys R Us still. I don't know what's going on in there. What? Whoa. Oh. All right, I'm out of here. All right, I got to go back to the car to get the B-roll lens real quick. As you can see, I got these in my hands too. Love them. Shout out to Kicks for Days again for blessing your boy. This is another one of these videos where I double up on the shoes. It's really saving me a lot of time with the editing and all that stuff. It only makes sense, right? I'm already ready for another 4-pack. Come on, Kicks for Days. Let's keep rocking and rolling. Maybe there's a spot to go over there and get some on feet. I don't know, let's go see. This is probably the worst little mural I've ever been around, but it's gonna work for me today. And you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. I think that's like some kind of like a jellyfish, and there's a huge spider sitting there, so I gotta be really careful. I'm scared of Daddy Long Legs. He's got some long legs too. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. I kind of feel like I need to get out of here. Nothing happened. It's just there's a weird white truck right here, and it's on, and it doesn't seem like anybody's in it. I'm not afraid they're going to do anything. It's just they've been there for a while, and they've been here before I got here. And these are the type of chances that you take when you're out in the field trying to create content. This is just a saga of a content creator, I guess. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I just make videos and wear shoes, guys. That's really it. That's really the bulk of my content. But it's a cold day. I'm getting the sniffles out here a little bit. Yeah, that truck, though. This is what I'm talking about. I don't know what they're doing, but if you don't see me after this video, that truck might have something to do with it. Yeah, guys, as far as the shoes, I love them. They're better than I had before. These do run a little bit big. Can you guys hear me? They do run a little bit big, but it's okay. I can wear some thicker socks. Wait a minute. Can you guys hear me? Okay, as I was saying, I'm thinking you guys can hear me a little bit better now. I should have brought the lab mic. Actually, I have the lab mic. I was just too lazy to, set it up. But anyway, I think the shoes, they're great. I mean, obviously you guys seen, I already have a pair. This is just a better pair all around. As far as the Jordans, man, I love these things. This might be in my top 3 pairs that I've got from these gifters. Like, they're comfortable. And I know I'm kind of boring. I kept the black laces in them, but so what? I think these look best with white laces. I don't know why. I just think they do. Like this is how I was wearing the other pair. This is how I'm wearing this pair. But that's it, guys. That's all, that's all I got. I'm going to try to get this video up today. Then I got 2 other pairs I got to do from 2 other, gifters. But it is what it is. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. My battery is flashing red. And peace, love, and light. 1. Looks like we found a lost shoe here. It's not really my style, though. Is it alive? Ah!